videos, some art videos too, but just wanted to let you know. So come along on this next journey of the next bathroom. Here we are putting in holes so that we can screw the tub in. Making sure to get all the places he marked. So here I have to level the tub, so I need to add some of this mortar. The tub already has a built-in slant, so I'm gonna make it higher on one end and lower on the other so that it will be evened out. This is the side we're gonna build up. I was told I need to add way more. So I will be using the rest of what's in this bucket, making sure that it is nice and even and smooth. This was actually pretty satisfying to do, not gonna lie. Now that what I was working on is ready to go, we can go ahead and set the tub. We're gonna evenly distribute the weight so that it sets correctly. Making sure everything is measured was probably the hardest part of this. This is where math really counts. It's a good thing he's good with numbers. And sorry for any background music that you might hear. That is not my music. It is just background music. I can't stop everyone from listening to music when they're trying to work. Placing it, we got to make sure it's nice and even and level. It was a little bit difficult getting it in. I had to go through those poles right there. It wasn't very easy, but yeah, making sure the weight distribution is correct, you know, making sure what I did underneath for the mortar, making sure it's all even and leveled out. Now that it's set, we can start the next phase of screwing it to the posts, and then yeah, it'll be almost finished. Then we got to put the backing on as well, and that will come in a little while. Now just got to make sure everything is in its right spot and that the pipes line up correctly. With all those holes I had to drill, now's the time that we can piece it all together. Gotta check your work, make sure everything's all level, check and check again. Almost done setting this tub, so excited. Just wanted to show you what we do on our break. Me and Levi decided we wanted to go hop some jumps. And we sat there thinking we were jumping oh so high, when in reality we got, I don't know, maybe an inch of air. Look at this. We just about died laughing when we saw these videos afterwards. And then here's Levi coming in from getting the mail. He has to drive quite a ways to go get it, but it's a job he likes to do because it's an excuse to get on his quad. Thanks, bud. All right, I gotta get back to work or this project will never get finished. We got to screw in all these cement boards again so that we can tile, and we got to put walls on first, but at least this part will be ready. We are almost done with all of these screws, thank goodness. My back is starting to hurt, but well worth it. And sorry for the source of light. That was very irritating. I didn't figure out what it was for a while. Turns out it was the sun reflecting on a mirror and shining into my eyes. To even out some of it so that it is level, and this is what we did. And here is all together, guys. Well, thank you for watching and have a great day.